Whether you're a vegetarian or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, these quesadillas will become a staple in your kitchen. Ingredients that shine. Creating delicious quesadillas starts with choosing the right ingredients. The combination of black beans and colorful bell peppers brings not only a burst of flavor but also a variety of nutrients. Using whole wheat tortillas adds a wholesome touch, elevating the dish's nutritional profile. In addition to these main ingredients, shredded cheese plays a pivotal role in achieving that desirable melty texture, while spices like cumin and chili powder infuse the quesadillas with warmth and depth. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro as a garnish enhances the presentation and adds a fresh note to each bite. The joy of preparation is key to a successful quesadilla experience. Start by sautéing a mix of onion and bell peppers until they soften, allowing their natural sweetness to develop. This step not only enhances flavor but also sets the stage for the harmonious blend of ingredients that follows. Once your vegetables are tender, mix in the black beans along with the spices. This creates a hearty filling that is both satisfying and nutritious. Combining these elements is where the magic begins, transforming simple ingredients into a flavor-packed filling. Assembling your quesadilla. Once your filling is ready, it's time to assemble the quesadilla. Lay down a tortilla in a hot skillet, followed by a generous layer of cheese. Adding a scoop of the savory vegetable and bean mixture ensures that every bite is loaded with flavor. Top it with another layer of cheese and a second tortilla, creating a delightful sandwich of flavors. Cooking each side until golden brown not only ensures the cheese melts perfectly but also gives the quesadilla a satisfying crunch. The cooking process. Cooking quesadillas is an art in itself. With medium heat, allow each side to brown for about 3-4 minutes. This technique helps achieve the ideal texture, crispy on the outside while remaining gooey on the inside. Flipping them carefully is essential to maintain that golden appearance and ensure an even cook. Serving suggestions. Presentation can elevate any dish, and quesadillas are no exception. Slice the cooked quesadillas into wedges, revealing the colorful filling inside. Arrange them on a rustic wooden platter for a charming touch that complements their homemade appeal. For the finishing touch, serve with creamy guacamole or sour cream on the side. These accompaniments not only enhance flavor but also provide a creamy contrast to the crispy quesadilla. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro on top adds a burst of color, making the dish even more inviting. Enjoying the experience. Ultimately, enjoying quesadillas is about savoring the moment. Every bite is a combination of textures, crunchy, creamy, and hearty, all mingling together to create a satisfying experience. Whether served for lunch, dinner, or as a snack, these quesadillas offer comfort and delight. Gather around the table and share the joy of this dish with family and friends. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that brings people together. With every savory bite, you'll appreciate the blend of flavors and the warmth of home-cooked comfort food. These quesadillas are not only packed with protein from black beans and cheese but also loaded with nutritious vegetables. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and flavors, making it a satisfying meal option. Ingredients: 1. 4 whole wheat tortillas. 2. 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed. 3. 1 cup shredded cheese, cheddar or mozzarella. 4. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 5. 1 green bell pepper, diced. 6. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 7. 1 teaspoon cumin. 8. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 9. Salt and pepper to taste. 10. Olive oil for cooking. 11. Sour cream or guacamole for serving, optional. Instructions. 1. Prepare vegetables. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. 1. Sauté the chopped onion and bell peppers until they are tender, about 5-7 minutes. 2. Mix the filling. In a bowl, combine the sautéed vegetables, black beans, cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Mix well to ensure the beans and veggies are evenly coated with spices. 3. Assemble the quesadilla. Place a tortilla in the skillet, sprinkle a layer of cheese, add a generous scoop of the vegetable and bean mixture, and top with another layer of cheese. 3. Place another tortilla on top. 4. Cook. Cook each side for about 3-4 minutes or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese has melted. 4. Repeat with remaining tortillas and filling. 5. Serve. Cut the quesadillas into wedges and serve hot with sour cream or guacamole on the side. Cook and prep times. 1. Prep time, 10 minutes. 2. Cook time, 15 minutes. 3. Total time, 25 minutes.